Welcome to our tutorial on zooming in within Google Slides. Whether you're presenting intricate visuals or highlighting key points, knowing how to zoom can elevate your slides. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. 1. Using the menu, open your Google Slides presentation, click on View in the top menu, choose Zoom from the drop-down, select the desired zoom percentage or use the custom option. 2. Using keyboard shortcuts, Windows/Mac, to zoom in, press Ctrl and Alt and plus, on Windows, or Command and Option and plus, on Mac. To zoom out, use Ctrl and Alt and minus, on Windows, or Command and Option and minus, on Mac. 3. Adjusting zoom during presentation. While presenting, use the Control and mouse scroll wheel, on Windows, or Command and mouse scroll, on Mac, to zoom in or out. Click the magnifying glass icon in the bottom right corner to access zoom options during a presentation. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.